Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock and unlock your keyboard on any Windows laptop or PC using built-in settings. Super simple and quick, let's get into it. First, click the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen. That's your start menu. Then click on Settings. In the Settings window, find and click on Accessibility. Now scroll down on the left panel until you see a section called Interaction. Under Interaction, click on Keyboard. Here, look for an option called Filter Keys. If Filter Keys is turned on, that means your keyboard is locked. If it's off, your keyboard is unlocked and working normally. Simply toggle the Filter Key switch on to lock your keyboard and toggle it off to unlock it. That's all you need to do. And that's it. That's how you lock and unlock your keyboard on a Windows PC or laptop in just a few steps. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Catch you later.